ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्लयजुर्वेदीय काण्व शाखीय बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद प्रथम अध्याय फर्स्ट चैप्टर सेकंड सेक्शन फिफ्थ मंत्र पेज नंबर 59 लास्ट लाइन इन द भाष्य। तथा च मंत्रः अदितिर्द्यौरदितिरंतरिक्षम अदितिर्माता सपिता। दिस इज ऋग्वेद वाक्य। हिरण्यगर्भ is called aditihi. Why? Sarvam ati. It eats, consumes everything. Therefore, he is called aditihi. Aditihi dyau. So, Hiranyagarbha is what? All these. Hiranyagarbha is heaven. Hiranyagarbha is intermediate world. Hiranyagarbha is Mata, Pita, everybody. Everything is Hiranyagarbha only. Hiranyagarbha alone is appearing everything. So everybody can be called Hiranyagarbha. इत्यादि। टीका पेज नंबर 60 फर्स्ट लाइन। अदितेः सर्वात्मत्वं वदता मंत्रेण सर्वकारणस्य मृत्योः अदितिनामत्वं सूचितम् इति भावः। अदितेः सर्वात्मत्वं। Aditi is sarvatmaka, it is all. So aditehe, which case is that? Shashti. Aditehe sarvatmatvam. Aditi Aditihi, if I do prathama, then
सर्वात्मा
sarvatma. Aditihi sarvatma. Sarvatmatvam vadata mantrena. Mantra has said that Aditi is sarvatma. सर्वकारणस्य मृत्योः अदितिनामत्वं सूचितम् इति भावः। सर्वकारणस्य मृत्योः अदितिनामत्वम्। मृत्यु which is मृत्यु means हिरण्यगर्भ is कारणम for all. It is the cause for all. सर्वकारणस्य मृत्योः अदितिनामत्वं सूचितम्। मृत्योः अदितित्व विज्ञानवतो अवान्तर फलम आह। मृत्योः अदितित्व विज्ञानवतः। मृत्यु which has मृत्योः अदितित्व means what? Yesterday I mentioned that Paramatma has so many features. Which guna you are focusing on? So here if somebody is doing this upasana, what? Mrityu is aditi. Mrityu has adititva. Like Bhagavan has yasha, virya, jnana, vairagya, karuna. So many gunas are there. Dharma. So if I say I want to focus only on vairagya aspect, then my phalam will be based on that guna. So here what is said? Mrityoho adititva vijnanavataha. Vijnana here means upasana. The one who does upasana of mrityu with this adititva aspect. Then what is the avantar phalam? Avantaram phalam aha sarvasya etasya jagato annabhutasya atta सर्वात्मना एव भवति, अन्यथा विरोधात्. He will become sarvasya etasya jagato atta. He becomes the consumer of all, means he will have all anubhava, means he will have all good anubhava. In this way you should understand, the one who does this upasana. Literally, anna doesn't mean only what is consumed by the mouth. Ahriyate iti ahara. So whatever is consumed, adyate, is called anna. So that what is experienced through any sense organs, he will get all such anubhava. Sarvatmana eva bhavati. Anyatha, otherwise there will be virodha, that he has done this upasana but he is not getting that result. Tika. Sarvatmana iti kuto vishishyate. What do you mean sarvatmana? So what is said is that as individual, everybody is atta. Everybody is experiencer, whether you like it or not. Sarvatmana Visheshana is given to show that Hiranyagarbha itself is Sarvatmaka. This discussion earlier in maybe Kathopanishad or somewhere we might have done. Each individual has some Ragadvesha. If Hiranyagarbha is Samashti Sukshma Sharira, Ragadveshas are in Sukshma Sharira. Hiranyagarbha is Samashti Sukshma Sharira. So Hiranyagarbha will have all Ragadvesha. So I am happy. I have only my Ragadvesha. Hiranyagarbha is more suffering. Everybody's Ragadvesha. So this vichar I don't remember if we had done at that time. But you always have to remember, whenever Samashti vichara is there, means there is greater Shuddhi. So everybody's Raga Dvesha does not go in Hiranyagarbha. All good qualities in all comes from Hiranyagarbha. All negativities are their problems. Otherwise, Samashti Upasana will lose its purpose only. There is no point in doing Samashti Upasana if that has all problems. Only good of all comes from Samashti, because Samashti Hiranyagarbha is all good. In Vyashti, wherever you see negativity, it is their own vasana. So Samashti does not mean all this put together is entity called Samashti. Samashti means Hiranyagarbha as a jiva is already existing. Anyatha virodhat. सर्वरूपेण टीका सर्वरूपेण अवस्थाना भावे सर्वान्न भक्षणस्य अशक्यत्वादित्यर्थः. सर्वरूपेण अवस्थान, if he doesn't have, then sarvanna bhakshana is not possible. Sarvanna bhakshana doesn't mean he goes on eating, otherwise there is no way he can consume everything or get all experiences, but he is the knower of all anubhava, and all good anubhavas will be there in that upasaka. That upasaka will enjoy ananda through all these bhogas. Virodhameva sadhayati. What was that virodha? He explains. Nahi kaschit sarvasya eko atta drishyate tasmat sarvatma bhavati ityartha. Sarvasya eko atta na drishyate. There is nobody one person who will enjoy everything. Therefore, he will always know I am Sarvatma. As Sarvatma, he enjoys everything. As individual, he will have whatever bhoga that comes to him. But in that, the good anubhavas will be there. टीका फलस्य उपासना अधीनत्वात् प्रजापतिम अदितिनामानम् आत्मत्वेन ध्यायन् ध्येयात्मा भूत्वा तत्तद्रूपत्वम् आपन्नः सर्वस्य अन्नस्य आत्मा स्याद् इत्यर्थः. This sadhaka will do ahangrahopasana. Phala is upasana adhina. Phalasya upasana adhinatvat. Prajapatim aditi namanam. Prajapati is aditi nama. Aditi nama. Prajapati is aditi nama. How will you do samasa? Vigraha. Aditi nama. Aditir nama yasya. Saha aditir nama. Nama is Napunsakalinga. Nama will become Pullinga. In Samasa, they will change the linga. Aditi Nama. Aditi Namanam Atmatvena Dhyayan. How will he do Dhyanam? Atmatva. I am Aditi. I am Hiranyagarbha. In this way, he will do Upasana. This is called Ahangrahopasana. Upasana will not be some Hiranyagarbha is there in that way. Upasana will be Ahameva Aditihi, Ahameva Hiranyagarbha. Dhyayatma, Atmatvena Dhyayan means Dhyayatma Bhutva. What is the Dhyaya? Hiranyagarbha. Hiranyagarbha is my Dhyaya. Dhyayatma, he will become one with that Dhyaya only. So, those who are doing, let's say, Ishwar Upasana, if I am doing Shiva Upasana, I am Shiva. This Buddhi is the best. Not I am Shiva as in I am Shantam, Shivam, Advaitam. That is not Upasana then. If he has understood that, then it is not Upasana. But if he says I am Shiva, and I am Shiva means I only am Jata Kataha, that Bhagavan Shiva I am. The one who is in Dhyanam, that I am. So then I will have Tadatmya. When Upasaka has Tadatmya with Upasya, Tadatmya means identification. When that identification is highest, the result will be highest. What is called highest identification? When I lose myself, I forget that I am existing different from my Upasya. This kind of Upasana, when it is done, this is called Dhyayatma Bhutva. I become that. So people, generally, nobody does this much Upasana also. Hardly some puja they will do, and they think this is so much. Dhyayatma, if I become. If, let us say, Bhagavan Shiva, somebody is doing Upasana. That Shiva is Shankaracharya. Shiva is Dakshinamurti. I am Dakshinamurti. I am Shankaracharya. You don't have to go and tell people, you know, I am Shankaracharya, you know, I am Dakshina. You quietly do Upasana and develop that, and you lose I. I am you are keeping strong, and in that you want to add some attribute. That Ahankara is becoming more and more stronger. You let go of ahankara, let only upasya remain. Then tattad rupatvam apannaha. Then he will become whatever that dhyaya vastu is. Sarvas apannaha sarvasya annasya attasya. Then he will become consumer of all annam. Means he will never feel I am not enjoying anything. Somebody is enjoying something, I only am bhokta. Somebody else is enjoying, I am bhokta. So then atrupti is not there. Upasana, this is the biggest phalam. You never feel that somebody got something which I did not get. Hiranyagarbha upasana is that I am sarvasya annasyat. So there is no feeling of, no, I didn't get that. No, I never got that one. How come he got? This feeling, this upasaka will never have. Vyatirekana, if you have that feeling, that means you are not doing upasana. Annam, annam eva asya sada na kadachit tad asya atra bhavati iti. Annam, annam eva. Anna will remain annam. Anna will not become atta. Atta will be atta only. Atta will not become annam. So experiencer and experienced. Experiencer will be always experiencer because it has some chaitanya expressing. Experienced will be jadavastu. Iti vaktum anantar vakyam adatte. Next vakya is there in mantra which is given here in Bhashya. Sarvam asya anyam bhavati ataeva. Sarvam asya annam bhavati ataeva. Ataeva means what? Ataeva iti uktam vyakti karoti. He makes it more clear. Sarvatmano hi atuhu sarvam annam bhavati iti upapadyate. That sarvatma, when he is atta, then sarvam annam is his annam. If you are not sarvatma, means if you have identified with some, then you will get that much. If I have identified with only one entity, I will get only that much. Sarvam annam bhavati iti upapadyate. य एवं एतद् यथोक्तम् अदितेर मृत्योः प्रजापतेः सर्वस्य अदनात् अदितित्वं वेद तस्य एतत् फलम्. यह एवं एतत्, the one who एतद् यथोक्तम् अदितेः मृत्योः प्रजापतेः. Aditi, Mrityu, Prajapati, they are all synonyms. Sarvasya Adanat Adititvam Veda. The one who knows this, Tasya Etat Phalam. This is the phalam of that person. That he will also become enjoyer of all. Okay, further. So fifth mantra is complete. Upasti vidhau safale sati. Now there is somebody. अब हो गया ना, this is over now. Upasana you spoke. Upasana result you said. Let us close the books. Upasti vidhau safale sati samapti hi eva brahmanasya uchita. This Brahadaranyaka Brahmana is complete now. Now what else should we study? He is asking. Some students are like that. Ab ye kitna long? How long you are going to extend this? Why can't you just come? They are more interested in, they are not interested in vichara. They are interested in, is it over? Then in their book, they have a list of what I have to study. Then they will tick mark. I have studied this. You ask them, what have you studied? Do you remember anything? It is over. Upasti vidhau safale sati. This is that student. Upasti vidhi is safala. Safala means phalena saha. Right? So, safalaha. Phala sahita. Sati samapti hi eva brahmana se uchita. You should say now Purnamada. of this Brahmana. Kim Uttar Granthena. Now what more we are going to study? Iti ashankya. Pratikam adaya tatparyam aha. We have just started Brahadaranyaka Upanishad. You have to have a lot of patience to study this. Pratikam adaya tatparyam aha. Mantra, let us see. So kamayata bhuyasa yajnena bhuyo yajeya iti. So shramyat satapo tapyata tasya shrantasya taptasya yasho वीर्यमुदक्रामत् प्राणा वै यशो वीर्यं तत् प्राणेषु उत्क्रांतेषु शरीरं श्वयितुम् अद्रियत तस्य शरीर एव मन आसीत्. One of the simple mantras in this Upasana portion. So akamayata, that Hiranyagarbha again thought something. Bhuyasa yajnena bhuyo yajeya iti. Bhuyasa means with lot of material. Bhuyasa yajnena. Bhuyasa, no, it is Avyaya Shabda. No, Tritiya. Bhuyasa yajnena, Tritiya. Bhuyo yajeta. By lot of material, etc. Yajnena bhuyo yajeta. Once again, I will do yajanam. So ashramyata. Then he got exhausted. Just by thinking. See, earlier what was said, he worked, therefore he got exhausted. Now what he said? He only sat and desired. Kamana, when it is there, you get tired just by desires. You actually don't accomplish anything outside and चिंतन करते 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 थक गए. You were just thinking and got exhausted. Akamata. Bhuyasa yajnena bhuyo yajeta. Bhuyo means once again. First bhuyasa is mahata. Great. Bhuyaha means punaha. Yajeya. So ashramyata, he got tired. Sa tapo atapyata. Then he did some tapas. When he did tapas, already he was tired and he did some tapas. Means went through some penance. What happened? Tasya shrantasya taptasya. He was exhausted and now he did tapa also. Tasya yasho viryam udakramat. His yasha and his virya came out. What is yasha and virya? Prana vai yasho viryam. His pranas departed. Who's? Hiranyagarbha. So pranas departed, sharira was there. Prana vai yasho viryam. Tat praneshu utkranteshu shariram shvaitum adriyata. That body started smelling and expanding, like how it happens in our case. That body becomes big. Shvaitum adriyata. But tasya sharire eva mana asit. His mind was in that sharir only. Means Hiranyagarbha, he had withdrawn, pranas had withdrawn from that sharira, but his mind was there only. Means he wanted to become that Virat Prajapati again. So student wanted to finish the talk, discussion. Say, no, we are again going to see something. What is this for? What is the objective in Bhashya, you see? So akamayata iti ashva ashwamedhayoho nirvachanartham idam aha. This topic is continued to explain what is ashwa and what is ashwamedha. That ashwamedha topic is started, right? Hiranyagarbha is ashwa. And the ritual is Ashwamedha. What is that? He has to explain. So their nirvachanam will be done. Nirvachanam means what is the etymological meaning of those both, Ashwa and Ashwamedha. For that, this discussion has come. टीका तदेव अश्वमेधस्य अश्वमेधत्वम् इति एतदन्तं वाक्यम् इदमा निर्दिश्यते. Later, it will be said in next mantra. Tadeva Ashwamedasya Ashwamedhatvam. It is on page number 63 in the mantra, third line. If you want, you just note down. Page 63, line 3 of the mantra itself. भूयो दक्षिणाकत्वात् अश्वमेधस्य भूयस्त्वम्. Why this Ashwamedha is Bhuyaha? Bhuya means big, because Bhuyo Dakshina Kattvat. In that, lot of Dakshina is given. So, like somebody says, Maharaj ji, I had gone there for big Bhandara over there. Big Bhandara. What is big Bhandara? One is lot of Mahatmas had come. That is big Bhandara. Second, Bhuyo Dakshina Kattvat. बहुत सारी दक्षिणा, lot of dakshinas was given. Somebody gave money, jacket, chappal, umbrella. 2 बैग लेके आया मैं. That is Bhuya Dakshina. Then I want to distribute now. Because हमारे कमरे में तो जगह नहीं है. भूयो दक्षिणा का त्वाद अश्वमेधस्य भूयस्त्वम्. इति शब्दो अकामयता अकामयत इति अनेन संबध्यते. इति शब्द अकामयत. So that so akamayata iti bhuyasa yajnena bhuyo yajeya iti is there. That iti you have to connect with so akamayata iti. Let us see some bhashya. Bhuyasa mahata yajnena. Bhuyasa means mahata yajnena, by this big yajna. See in third number tippani. Mahata iti. Mahatvam cha yajne sarvasva dakshinakatvam. A yajna is big if everything is given up in dakshina. Tacha ashwamedasya eva bhavati. It is possible only in Ashwamedha. Vishwajita is also there, like how Nachiketa's father had done. But Ashwamedha, I am sure, is greater because Ashwamedha has highest phalam. Bhavati. Tadhacha mahata yajnena iti ashwamedhabhidene abhidena ashwamedhabhidena yagena iti yavat. Yajnena means Ashwamedha abhidena yagena. What is the difference between yaga and yajna? Yaga, actually, in that you don't do any swaha and offering in Agni. In yaga. Yaga is devata uddeshyena dravya tyaga. You just assign that all this is Indraya swaha, Indraya idam namah. So this is for Indra. This is for Agni. This is for Varuna. This is for Prajapati. So when everything is assigned, this is yaga. Yaga is over. Then yajna is where you do all the other things. Ritviks will chant the mantra, offerings will be done, all of that. Then some parikrama has to be done, Purnahuti will be offered, etc., etc. Some other Parayan will be happening, then Dakshina will be given. All of that is Yajna. So, Bhuyasa Mahata Yajnena, Bhuyaha Punaha Api Yajeya. Once again, I will do this Yajana. Now, a question is raised in Tika. कथम पुनः तेन यक्षमाणस्य प्रजापतेर्भूयः शब्दोक्तिः. How can you say that this Prajapati performing any yajna is bhuyaha, means once again he is doing? First of all, you understood there are two. One is bhuyasa, second is bhuyaha. What is bhuyaha?
Again,
Once again, punaha. Bhuyasa means with lot of material, means with lot of dakshina. So he say, how can Prajapati do this yajna again? How, where is again coming from? I say, why it cannot come? Nahi saha purvam ashwamedham anvatishtat karma anadhikaratvat. Prajapati as Hiranyagarbha, he did not do any ashwamedha earlier because as Hiranyagarbha, he does not have karma adhikara. Karma adhikara is only for Manushyas. Vaidika karma adhikara is only for Manushyas. ततः जन्मांतर करण अपेक्षया भूयः शब्दः. In previous janma he was Prajapati or a Manushya in previous janma. As Manushya he had performed Ashwamedha. On the strength of that he became Hiranyagarbha Prajapati. So now Bhuyah Janmantar Karana Apekshaya Bhuyah Shabda. Because in the previous Janma he had done. Therefore, Tadeva Spashtayati Saha Prajapati Janmantare Ashwamedhena Ayajat. That Prajapati in the previous Janma Ashwamedhena, through Ashwamedha Ayajat, he did this Yajana. Ashwamedhena Ayajat. टीका. अथ अतीते जन्मनि यजमानो अश्वमेधस्य कर्ता अभूत. Therefore, in the previous janma, he was yajamana of Ashwamedha, yaga and yajna. Therefore, he was karta at that time, yajamana as karta. Adhuna hiranyagarbho bhuyo yajeya ityaha. Yajeya, not yejeya. See, there is correction. Adhuna hiranyagarbho bhuyo yajeya. Now, as Hiranyagarbha, he said, I will do lot of things once again. So he remembered what he had done in the Purva Janma. तथा च कर्तृभेदात् भूयः शब्द असामंजस्यम. अतः if we take two different kartas, now he is different, then he was different, then bhuyah shabda will not fit in. But because he had identified himself with the previous karta, tadbhava bhavita, saha tadbhava bhavita eva kalpadau vyavartata. So identified with that bhava, identified with that purva janma, he said, I will do once again. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति।